Today we have Tahoe, Chevrolet Tahoe 2006 model. Okay, we diagnosed the computer and got this 5-volt reference circuit, one circuit, and message is engine power reduce. Okay, and I scan the vehicle, got this code 5-volt reference circuit 1. Okay, as I starting the finding the problem, the most common problem is this small bolt damage the wiring, as you can see from here. Okay, as you can see this clean wiring, and this one also. Sometimes the most common is this one bolt is for this problem. And something time this wiring, some people change this power steering pipe, they forget there's from second from here. This technician give good job, or take from this. Some take from here, some take from here, some take from here. This one is perfect side. Okay, but as you can see, wiring is also damaged, but not damaged as bad. And sometimes under the sulfate, these wiring line go from the here, from under the oil pan, and from here go where, and the crank sensor, the most common reason for 5-volt code. But sometimes wiring is okay, maybe some modules like this ECM module and TCM module and transfer case module. Sometimes transfer case wiring the most common problem, and maybe so on, but the most common is this one. I maybe see more than 20 vehicles the same bolt and same problem from same vehicle. Tahoe, GMC, Yukon, yani this 5.3 engine with the LS engine, and Yukon Drali, almost same engines and same wirings distribution. After years, this bolt damaged the wiring, as you can see here. Once again, the most common problem is, okay, now I am going to remove this bolt, okay, and fixing the tape only, plastic tape, and inshallah everything will be okay. I will just remove this bolt from here and tape the wiring as clean as possible. Okay, this may be okay, not damage too much, but this is it. Okay, now I'm going to raise the cords actually. You can see Atal too much slow. I don't know this Atal MX. It's 3 years old tab, and alhamdulillah no fault codes. Start the vehicle, and we are now going to try the test drive, and I will give you my feedback after test.